to the Down South Brothers channel. Do that.
Man, how's it going, Daddy? Man, how's it going? So here's the dealio. Okay, so I have a problem. Yeah. I have a little bit of a problem, Dad.
Yeah, you do.
This lawnmower has a self-propel on it, and it propelled me, and it just kept on going.
That thing must have had 500 horses on it to pull something like you were.
Look, let me tell you something right now. It has more than 500 horses. It has like 1,000 horses. Anyways, a neighbor said down the street that lawnmower came past his house.
How far down was it?
Like 3 miles down the road.
Oh, man.
And I have not even seen it since. I tell you right now, that lawnmower is... Something's wrong with that lawnmower, Dad.
I ain't so sure it's the lawnmower as much as it is the operator. However, we got to get that lawnmower back because our grass needs cut.
Who cares about our grass? It's wintertime, Dad.
Well, we still had to cut it one more time when it started to get cold, and we didn't do it. It got cold, we still got to cut it.
And smell.
I don't need no raisins, though. I need my mower back.
Well, you ain't gonna get your mower back right now because it's like 3 miles down the road and it's still going.
Well, maybe the
thing... It went through somebody's pasture this morning.
Maybe the thing will...
Went down somebody's driveway.
Maybe the thing will figure out where it came from, turn around and come back. Next time you grab hold of that lawnmower...
Here comes the self-propel.
I don't care if it has to pull...
Hey, I can't help it. The self-propel, when I turned that thing on, it just went... And then I went...
Well, if we don't see it in a few days, I just have to just count it.
Don't worry, Daddy. I'm going to catch that lawnmower. I'm going to catch it if it's the last thing I do. Come on, lawnmower, where are you at?
I don't know. We got to lawnmower.
Dad, I think it went this direction. I think. Dad, we have been chasing after this lawnmower and we haven't found it. We've been running. Oh man, my bag's hurting. I wish brother was here to see it. Oh, what's going on? Hey, Dad, look, his brother right here.
Hey, it looks like help has arrived.
Man, I just got here, man.
Okay, well,
what y'all talking about?
well, let me just put it to you this way. You ever heard of self-propel?
Let him explain this because he's got a whole lot to
Is that like that propel water stuff? What y'all talking about?
No, I'm talking about self-propel on a lawnmower.
Oh, lawnmower. Yeah, so you start cutting some grass, they only see one strip though.
That's right. That's all you see right here is one strip because there's a long.
Okay. Dad, let me tell him what happened. Let me tell my brother what happened. I was cutting grass yesterday, and I put on the self-propel, and the thing just takes off by itself and just propels me across the yard, and I haven't seen it since, brother.
I don't understand.
Well, you sure hung on to that thing by yourself.
Where's the lawnmower at?
Well, that's the problem. We don't know where it went. It went south, and that's it.
Let's see if we can't figure out where. I'll help y'all find it.
Let's go.
Let's go find it.